everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. Thank you so much for joining me today as we are continuing to open our 12 Days of Stitchmas from Bothy Threads. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. So remember yesterday we got that wonderful Nerd hoop like this one, the Nerd embroidery hoop. I really like those. I need to get a whole set of those, all the different sizes, because I really, really like them. Okay, so today we are on day 8. Oh my gosh, we are almost done with these. First, let's start our tea from our tea assortment. Oh, it's pink and green. Pink and green. What do we have? Sweet cinnamon. This is going to be good. Good. Okay, sweet cinnamon. Traditional Indian masala chai recipe. Chai tea. Apparently, I just really like chai tea. Who knew? Who knew? Oh, that smells so good. It just smells like I've opened a cinnamon container. I am gonna be excited about this one. Honestly, out of, 24 teas in here, there's only been 2, maybe 3 that I really didn't like. That rose one, I'll never forget that. Okay, sweet cinnamon tea. Let's take a sniff at that. That is going to be so good. So good. So we'll let that sit here and soak for a bit. And I just slopped water out of it. Clean up my mess. Okay, we are good to go there. Okay, we're going to let that soak for a bit. And we are going to look at, make sure I got my numbers right after yesterday's mix-up. Day 8. We are on day 8 of our 12 Days of Stitchmas from Bothy Threads. Day 8. Okay. That's all we've got left in here. It's running low. Day 9, day 10, day 8. Here we go. A red one. Another red one. Day 8. I think we've got more instructions. More instructions. Yes, that's exactly what we have. Okay, so this is, here we go. We're doing number 9 and number 12. And 12 is soldiers drumming, drummers drummer. 12 drummers drumming. And 9 is ladies leaping. 9 ladies leaping, I think. Every day I say I'm going to get that list out and look, and every day I forget. So this is our cross stitch chart. And this is our finishing chart. This is what we're going to do the outline stuff. And did it say on here? Section 4. So, if I get this back in here without tearing it all up. Section 4. Eek! Stickers sticking to the thing. Section 4. That goes right there. Let's see if I can pull this out. No, there it is. It's right on the back. I've got it stuck right on the back so we can look at it. So that's going to be, it's going to be this section right here. So we started here, then we did that one, and then we did 3, and now we're doing 4. 4 down here. Ta-da! So this thing is really helpful, this little map. Okay. That's it for today. Except we got to taste our tea, and I'm very excited about tasting our tea. That smells so good. Oh yeah. Now, I was raised where when you have a tea bag, which these are obviously tea bags, you get 2 cups of tea out of every tea bag. So after this steeps for a couple minutes, you set it aside. And then when you're done with that cup of tea, you put more hot water in it and you get a second cup of tea. And I know there's other people, if you are a true tea aficionado, that is sacrilege. You would never ever do that. But I'm also the lady that warms up my coffee from the day before and drinks it. So I don't stand on ceremony with that kind of stuff. I will absolutely get 2 cups of tea out of this one, as I have with most of my tea that we have been enjoying. I think this one's a good one. And again, I still need to get in there and see if I can find an assortment of the chais from these guys, because I just really, really like them. That is it for today. Thank you so much for popping in. We're getting very close to the end of this one. And when we do get to the end of these, I promise we'll be back to just the regularly scheduled, hoping for 2 days a week videos. We're looking for one on Thursdays and one so far on Sunday. Might change that to Saturday down the road. We'll see. But for right now, we're going to have one every Thursday and one every Sunday. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, please subscribe, and please pop this over to somebody who might enjoy it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.